The SaaS applications or biz app, that's probably where they'll all collapse, right, in the agent era.
Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella made a prediction that could change everything we know about software.
So Microsoft is making some big moves with its AI strategy, reshuffling its internal structure and releasing an impressive new open source model on Hugging Face. We'll break down the key AI announcements from Satya Nadella and the team, dive into the new CoreAI platform and tools division, and cover the news about Microsoft's 5.4 model going fully open source. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get into it. First, let's talk about the reorganization. If you've followed Microsoft for a while, you know they've been pivoting toward AI for the past few years. But in early 2025, Satya Nadella, who's the chairman and CEO of Microsoft, spelled it out bluntly. We're entering the next innings of this AI platform shift and everything's about to move at lightning speed. He's not exaggerating. Nadella is basically saying that in 2025, every single layer of the application stack is going to be impacted by AI. Imagine someone inventing a new graphical user interface plus new internet servers plus cloud native databases all rolled out almost at once. So to keep up with this paradigm shift, Microsoft is forming a brand new engineering group called the CoreAI Platform and Tools Division. This group blends together several crucial parts of the company. The developer division, which handles Visual Studio, GitHub, and so on. The AI platform team, think Azure AI Foundry, and certain teams from the office of the CTO, including folks working on AI supercomputer projects, AI agentic runtimes, and something called Engineering Thrive. By bringing all these teams under one roof, Microsoft can build an end-to-end Copilot and AI stack that both Microsoft and external customers can use. Essentially, we're talking about the creation of agentic apps with memory, entitlements, and what they call as action space, all powered by big AI models. Heading up this division is Jay Ferry, formerly an engineering chief over at Meta. You might remember Microsoft hired him back in October, and this is his first big splash since joining. Reporting to him are some heavyweights like Eric Boyd, head of AI platform, Jason Taylor, Deputy CTO of AI Infrastructure, Julia Lewson, leader of Microsoft's developer division, and Tim Bozard, leading developer infrastructure. This shift makes one thing very clear. The entire developer division, which used to revolve around traditional coding tools, is now pivoting firmly into AI. Part of their mission is to power GitHub Copilot, the wildly popular AI-assisted coding tool. By merging GitHub Copilot's team with the main AI platform teams, Microsoft wants a tighter feedback loop. If something's working in Copilot, they can funnel that insight back into the AI stack for other applications. Satya Nadella also emphasized that Azure is going to become the infrastructure for AI, and everything else like Azure AI Foundry, GitHub, and Visual Studio Code will be built on top of that. Microsoft's broader vision is an AI-first app stack that changes how every SaaS application is developed. Microsoft's broader vision is an AI-first app stack that changes how every SaaS application is developed. We're talking about new runtimes for agent orchestration, reimagined management layers, and next-gen user interfaces that revolve around AI-driven chat interactions. Now, shifting gears a bit, Microsoft also made waves by open sourcing a powerful language model called 5.4. It first appeared last month, but back then it was only available through Microsoft's Azure AI Foundry platform. Now, however, they've dropped the entire model, weights and all, onto Hugging Face under the MIT license. That's a huge deal if you follow open source AI. Most large-scale models out there either aren't fully open or come with restrictive licenses. But 5.4, it's fully out there and smashing benchmarks, even outperforming bigger name models in areas like advanced math and coding. So, what's special about 5.4? For starters, it's a 14 billion parameter model, much smaller than the massive 70B or 100B giant, but it was trained on 9.8 trillion tokens of curated and synthetic data. Microsoft reports top-tier results on tests like math, MGSM, human-eval, and other advanced reasoning challenges. This release ties into Microsoft's broader AI push under the new CoreAI Platform and Tools group. They are aiming for an end-to-end Copilot and AI stack, and 5.4 is part of that strategy. Smaller but mighty models that are fully open. So that's the story. A big reorganization at Microsoft all about AI plus this major open source release of 5.4. If you check it out, just be mindful of its limitations, especially for high stakes use. But hey, that caution applies to any AI tool these days. What do you think? Will combining dev and AI teams at Microsoft supercharge innovation? Is open sourcing top tier models the best path for AI? Let me know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this overview, feel free to share it with anyone who loves AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. It has become very important that you should also learn all these AI tools and ChatGPT and use it in your work so that you'll be becoming irreplaceable in the job market. Do you want to learn all this? Then join me for my 3 hours workshop on AI tools and ChatGPT, where I'm going to teach you top 10 AI tools which are going to make you absolutely irreplaceable in the job market and which are going to save you at least 95% of your time while you are working. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below, sign up for my workshop. I'll see you inside my workshop.